everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a quick but very important video. This is something I've said time and time again, but I wanted to dedicate a video to this so you guys do not forget. There is only one right way to moisturize your hair, and that is by using water. Water is the only moisturizer, period. Now don't get that twisted. That doesn't mean that products can't moisturize your hair. What that does mean is that products that are water-based are the only products that are going to moisturize your hair. So some of you may be confused right now because it's very common for us in the Loc community, natural hair community, to be using oils to moisturize our hair. That is where the confusion comes in. If you're using oils correctly, you're not using oils to moisturize your hair, you're using the oils to seal in moisture. So that what you really want to do is to moisturize your hair and then seal it with oil. An easy way to go about doing that is to get yourself a spray bottle, put your water in there. Of course, you can use rose water or whatever type of water you prefer, spring water, tap water, it's fine. Use your water, and then after you finish misting it, then you go on and seal in the moisture with your oils. Of course, you can also mix your favorite oils into your spray bottle to make the process easier, and a lot of people will choose to do that for their daily moisturizing routine if they do daily. I probably don't do it every day. I probably do it every couple days as I see fit. I shower without a shower cap, so my hair is very often exposed to water. So I want to be clear because very often people use the vocabulary of I use oils to moisturize my hair, but that's incorrect. You're using oils, if you're using it correctly, you're using oils to seal in the moisture. Sometimes people use oils every day and they can't figure out why their hair still feels dry. It's because you're sealing in dryness. Now I know a lot of you have been asking about my Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil. Is currently sold out, but it will be returning later on this month in October. But I do have my limited edition Herb and Lime Oil, which is available to purchase right now. So what's so special about this oil? It is infused with several of my favorite healthy hair herbs. The herbs that are infused into this oil are very, very beneficial for your hair overall health. So that goes for hair growth, hair conditioning, helps with shine, helps with strength, and the oil itself is a very lightweight oil, so you don't have to worry about product buildup using this oil if you are washing your hair appropriately for your hair needs, of course. And last but not least, it has lime essential oil, and it gives the oil such a refreshing, invigorating, exhilarating scent. I love lime, and that is why I chose to use that in my limited edition oil. Not only does lime smell amazing, but it's also really, really good for your hair and scalp. So currently we have 8-ounce bottle of the Herb and Lime Oil. You can get it now. Go to www.keishacharmaine.com and shop now. So this is a really good oil that you can use to seal in moisture into your hair. You know, I'm always ranting and raving about the benefits of horsetail, the herb. That's why that's the main ingredient in my Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil. Of course, I had to infuse horsetail into this product as well. If I'm putting out a product, trust me, there's going to be horsetail in it. Gotta love the silica. And stay tuned, I have a completely brand new product coming very, very soon. I don't have a date yet, but just stay tuned. And I'm really, really, really excited about this product coming out. It's not an oil, I'll just say that. So for those of you who are habitually oiling your hair and your hair is still dry, maybe that is the reason why. Maybe you're not adding enough water to your hair. You don't have to use a spray bottle to add water to your hair routine. You can, like I said, you can shower without a shower cap. Maybe put a scarf on to keep your retwists fresh around your hairline if that's important to you. And my favorite way to do like a nice, really moisturizing treatment is do a little hot oil treatment. These are the quick steps to do that hot oil treatment. Wash your hair, towel dry it a bit so your towel is damp. Then you add the oil to your hair. Then you put the towel back on, the same towel. Put your hair back into that towel. Let it sit for about 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes. You will generate the heat, and that'll help the oils to penetrate into your hair. And after that time has passed, take your hair down and dry and style as usual. Make sure you don't use too much oil for this treatment, because if you use too much, you'll need to do a rinse before you dry it completely and style it and things. But I like to use a moderate amount so that I don't have to rinse it out afterwards. And that's how I do my hot oil treatments 9 times out of 10. So I hope somebody found this video very helpful. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. That really helps with visibility. And subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you check out KeishaCharmaine.com and shop. Follow me on Instagram at KeishaCharmaine. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.